Hello everybody, thank you for checking out this next episode of Watch Review, where we show you some watches we've made, some custom stuff, and tell you all about it. What do you get when somebody gives you a bunch of old family memorabilia that includes rings with diamonds, some pocket watches that have movements, hands, and other things, and asks you to create some sort of new watch using all of these parts? That's what we created here, and it is called the Snarfblatt. Let me show you what it looks like. There's a long story behind that name. It is a genius name. And this is probably the biggest Frankenstein watch that I've ever done. So this is the watch. This is a pocket watch, as you can tell, but it's gonna be more like a pendant. Now let me turn it around so you can see from all angles, and we'll get some better views of it in a second. First of all, let me tell you about the case. Tate McRae did his magic with hand engraving. The customer wanted us to create some Easter eggs. These Easter eggs, they have certain numbers, they have a beer and a chicken wing hidden within these engravings, which is pretty amazing. Congrats to Tate, because I'm not sure if anyone has actually hand engraved a 1mm beer mug and a 1mm chicken wing, but it's on there. Front of the watch, we're gonna start with this. This part used to be our customer's grandma's, her wedding rings. And what we did is we melted down the rings to create this piece. That's what that's from. So this has meaning. Just under there, which is hard to see, there is a diamond set into the case. That diamond came, you guessed it, from the rings that we melted down to create the bow. Next up, dial. So this dial was originally in the pocket watch that was her grandfather's. That dial we shaped down, exposed the brass, and then we engraved some beautiful cherry blossoms on there alongside the numbers to tell the time. The amazing thing about this dial is there are slight imperfections because of how old it was when we stripped it. There's just some slight bending. There's just a lot of character to it. It's beautiful. The last part is those hands. Those hands came directly off the watch that we were repurposing. Pulled it off the pocket watch, put it onto the new watch. So this whole dial has so much meaning, is made up of a lot of parts that have meaning in the family. And now that we've combined them together, it'll live on as one piece that tells this unique, cool story. If I spin it around at the back, that is the actual movement from the pocket watch. We disassembled the movement and we added our touch of hand engraving on there alongside some Japanese characters on there. It's so pretty. Originally the bridges, they were really simple, just really plain, no finishing on them. Now they are amazing. In summary, this is a beautiful watch. I think its beauty, when you look at it, is there. But when you dig deeper and you see the story behind every single piece of this watch, it's incredible. There's so much meaning from the small little engravings that Tate McRae did, to the machine engravings of the Japanese characters, to the use of the rings, the diamond, and the actual pocket watch movement, dial, and hands. Couldn't be more proud of this project. I cannot wait to give it to my customers and see their reaction. I think they're gonna love it. Let's hope so. Thanks for checking this out. If you have any material that you're interested in us making a watch with, simply give me a call, 888-782-2607, or shoot me an email, steve@novowatch.com. I'll answer all your questions there, or shoot us a DM on any of the socials. I'll get back to you there as well. Have an amazing day. Talk to you later.